Hi everyone, Seb Chaps here, and today I'm going to talk about the CCX-BOX and Conceal-Assistant. A few days ago, almost a week ago, I released a short video about it, and today we're going to talk about it into more details. CCX-BOX is a mini desktop computer dedicated to the Conceal Network. It runs a full node and a miner as services. If you want to check on those services, normally you would open a terminal window and type some command line. Just for example, for the node, you would type a command like system ctl status ccx guardian. And as you can see, the status of the node is active and running. You could do the same for the miner. Which is also active and running. And we could also use this type of command line to start the miner, or also to stop the miner. But we won't do it this way today. Today we're going to be using Conceal-Assistant. We created the Conceal-Assistant to help people who are new to cryptocurrency and let's say they want to build their own desktop with their node and their wallet and their mining. And we thought it was maybe a little bit too much to ask them to get familiar with those command line and the terminal window. So we created this web-based application named Conceal-Assistant. So just open a web browser. Conceal-Assistant here in our case is the main page as default. We have to log in. And from here we've got few information. In this box we've got the information for the node telling us it's active, and in this box we've got the information about the miner telling us it's also active. So basically that's just the information we got from the terminal window. It's just here we've got it right away without typing a command line. From here we can also open the API for the node, and we can also check the status of the node here and have more detail. Same thing for the miner. You can open the API here and check on it. We can open the web wallet. I mean, it's just a shortcut to the web wallet, so you can create your wallet here or import your wallet. And we also have access to the Conceal Network web page. Now let's go back to Conceal-Assistant main page. Let's say, for example, we would like to do some maintenance on the miner. Let's say change the mining address, for example, or change the mining pool. We would have to deactivate the miner first. So for that we would click on deactivate here, confirm deactivate, type the password, of course make sure you put the good password. And now the main page is back, telling us the miner assistant service is no longer active. We're going to give it a few seconds. Go back to the miner page or miner tab. We're going to hit the refresh button. And as you can see, it's no longer connected because it's no longer running. So let's go back to the assistant and let's turn it back on, clicking on activate. Activate again to confirm, password. And we are now back to the main page. The miner is active. Same thing, we're going to give it a few seconds for the miner to fire up. Let's go back on its tab, hit refresh, and it's been running for 13 seconds. So this is Conceal Assistant, and thanks a lot for watching.